Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is very special because today I'm gonna tell you about 10 best places to visit in the city of Ujjain. So let's get started. Number 10, Bhatrihari Caves. Opened all days of the week from 5 am to 6 pm. Overview. Legend has it that this is the very place where Bhartrihari, the stepbrother of Vikramaditya and a very renowned poet, used to live and meditate after relinquishing all the luxuries of life. After you've reached there, you have to enter with a passage like this, and you will see many structures and pictures on the sides, and at last you will meet this idol of Bhartrihari. Number 9, Chaubis Khamba Mandir. Chaubis Khamba Temple is a captivating historical wonder dated back to the 9th or 10th century. The entrance showcases the images of guardian goddesses of the temple, Mahalaya and Mahamaya, with their names inscribed on the footsteps of the temple. Number 8, ISKCON Temple. The beauty of the majestic white marble building of ISKCON in Ujjain is truly a sight for sore eyes. The impeccably sculpted marble idols of Radha Madan Mohan, Sri Krishna and Balaram, and Sri Gauri Nitai, dressed in vibrantly colored dresses and beautiful jewelry, will definitely lift your spirits. Number 7, Sandipani Ashram. Being the very spot where Guru Sandipani coached Lord Krishna, Balarama and Sudama, the Sandipani Ashram has many mentions in Mahabharata. The ashram houses a giant stone with 1 to 100 inscribed on it, as first written by Guru Sandipani. Be sure to check out the mystical Gomati Kund, which holds a blend of all the holy waters in the world. Number 6, Kalia Palace. Situated on an island based in the Sipra River, this palace holds immense religious significance. It was constructed in 1458 AD. The palace is flanked on both sides by the waters of the rivers, and technical aptitude of the predecessors can be seen in the man-made tanks and channels. Number 5, Chintaman Ganesh Temple. Chintaman or Bade Ganesh Ji ka Mandir is located close to the tank of the Mahakaleshwar temple, and right in front of you stands a gigantic sculpture of one of the most worshipped gods in India, Lord Ganesha. Number 4, Harsiddhi Mata Temple. The Harsiddhi temple boasts of an idol of Annapurna Devi painted in dark red color between the idols of Mahasaraswati and Mahalakshmi. And one thing you know, friends, that there are 2 towering stone lamps, and they are lighted with 1000 lamps and diyas every day. So you can imagine how magnificent and beautiful it is. It is also one of the 51 Shaktipeeths of Devi Sati. Number 3, Kal Bhairav Temple. Bhairav is a fierce manifestation of Lord Shiva, and Kal Bhairav is the most important among the 8 Bhairavs. There is a Shivalinga in this temple, which during Mahashivratri attracts thousands of visitors to this religious site. And there's a shocking thing that devotees here offer liquor to the Lord. Number 2. Ramghat. The Ramghat is located on the bank of the river Shipra. The evening Shipra Aarti is one of the best attractions at Ramghat. This is among the most popular places to visit in Ujjain, as this is where the very famous Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years. The Kumbh Mela holds a great prominence amongst the followers of Hinduism, which is evident from the fact that almost 2 crore people attend the Mela. Number 1. Shri Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling. Mahakaleshwar temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva. Considered no less than a Hindu pilgrimage, the Bhasma Aarti of Mahakaleshwar temple is hugely popular amongst the devotees. Another factor that makes Mahakaleshwar one of the most revered Jyotirlingas in India is the fact that Mahakaleshwar idol is Dakshinamukhi, facing south, unlike all the other Jyotirlingas. So this was the 10 amazing places of Ujjain. Do comment and tell me which one of these places is your favorite, and if you want to know more history or timings of these places, then check out the description box. Tune in next time for another wonderful place. Jai Shri Mahakal. Thanks for watching, guys.